somebody that is mentally incapable of taking care of their own self. So why should they take care of another? You guys want to know the kind of person KK is? KK is the type of person. If you're sitting around a friend and you're KK's friend and she's insulting your fucking husband, she's gonna try to fuck your husband. She's gonna try to fuck your husband. She gets an insurance policy later to fuck him. Well, KK, you don't realize the insurance policy that I got on all of you. Let me know if I can talk. Let me know if I can talk, KK. I'm pretty sure you understand where this is going. I'm gonna explain something to you, KK. Because evidently, nobody can hear me besides two people. Can you guys hear me? I need a one in the chat if you can hear me. I need to figure out who's being blocked, their fucking status, their fucking scenario. KK, you see a man when you look at me, and you wish, oh my gosh, he is so sexy. I just want that to be my man right there. And I'm just telling him that I love him, but he's not listening to me. I'm gifting him, I'm stroking his ego, but he's not playing the cards that I want him to play in my box. KK, we're going to tell the world about you. KK, you think that Scotty got evidence on you? And you're scared of Scotty? You're really scared of Scotty that got the evidence on you? Do you know how much evidence I got on you? For everything you put me through, all your lies and accusations. Do you understand, you fucking chemically imbalanced fucking cunt, how much evidence I got on you? Let me know when I can talk. Let me know when I can talk. Because I can't talk unless I got permission. Let me know when I can talk. Danny, watch the back door. I'm gonna explain something to you, KK. I consider you a cunt. You know what the definition of a cunt is? You're the definition of a cunt. You're the definition of what the word definition is of a cunt. You're a fucking cunt. You're a low life bitch. You're scum. You're you are fucking possum scum.